Hey guys, welcome back. I didn't film an intro for the next clip. Basically me doing a install on the Type R. I bought all new LEDs and threw them in there, and in the following video I basically show you how I did it. Thanks you guys for the support. Today we are going to be working on the 2021 Civic Type R that I picked up in March of this year. Don't mind it being dirty. It's my daily driver for right now, but Midwest it's getting kind of cold out. So but today what we're going to be doing is replacing the interior lights with LEDs. We're going to come in here. My Type R has 15,000 miles on it right now, but as you can see, instead of the soft white LEDs or halogens, not LEDs yet, I got the halogen one here, and I actually have a GoPro mount on it. So I bought an extra lens, a factory lens, that I can take this down without having to keep that up there, because that does block a lot of light. But for road racing and everything, that's what this car is meant to do. We are going to be needing that GoPro. Right now I'm just going to show you what the rear reverse lights look like. So right now, the reverse lights are these guys right here, and they're pretty yellow compared to the license plate lights, and at night with the tint I really can't see anything. So we're going to upgrade those. And the LEDs that I chose are from Type R LEDs. This is not a sponsored video or anything, but these are the ones that everybody recommended. I paid roughly 70 bucks for all of them. But I got the two reverse lights. These are the map lights, not the map lights, the vanity lights. The trunk light, I went with the upgraded one. And the two dome lights, and then the center dome light. I guess these would be map lights. First one I'm going to go and get done is probably going to be this guy here. And basically, without damaging stuff, I'm going to try to take a pick and get behind this lip right here. Sorry, my filming's not the best. But try to get that undone. And then I actually bought a new one to put in its place behind all that stuff. There's the exhaust gasket that I bought, I haven't used yet. There it is. So if you ever stick a GoPro mount on your lens and you need a new one, this is the part number. I'm sure it's the same for all the Civics, not just the Type R. So that's that number there. And I always buy OEM stuff as much as I can. Otherwise, you run into fitment issues. Now, I did damage that plastic trim there, but it'll be okay. For me anyways. Just pull that down, and there is the bright light. So we'll throw that one down there. So all I did was pull this bulb out and definitely let it cool off a little bit, because it is a little toasty. Well, take this. Get shocked every time I get out of my car. We will take this guy, and it has 3M tape on the back of it. So let's see if I can get this to focus in. It's really bright. Oh, there we go. So we got a bunch of LEDs there. Some like 3M tape on the back side. I mean, I'd rather not use the 3M tape. I don't have to. but I don't think I'm gonna really have a choice. But I'm gonna try to just wedge it in there. So you got this little adapter here that adapts them to this unit right here. Push that guy up in there. Tuck all these wires back. Just go put them right up on top of there. I don't know if I can wedge it in there or not. All right. So now, get the new lens here and pop it into place. Snap, snap, snap. Okay. So one thing to note when you're doing LEDs is they are a one-way unit, and I actually had it backwards, so I had to swap it out. But wow, that is a huge change. And that literally lights up my whole interior. My other light did not do that. So A+ to Type R LEDs. That is bright. So now we'll move on to our other ones, the map lights. I mean, you can tell there. What I'll do is I'll replace this one and we'll compare the two. And then we have our vanity lights, which I need to get this stuff out of the way. So that one there I'm replacing. That one there I'm replacing. So I got these 4 interior lights to still do. And that one is done and insanely bright. I'm digging it. All right, so I guess we'll work on these guys here and try to get this guy out and replace those. Okay, so basically what I did is I took a pick and I was very gentle and I peeled up this one side and then used my fingers and kind of just pried it out of the way. So now we got that little light bulb and it is hot, so I'm going to take a pair of pliers and carefully take it out. Just wiggle a little bit. And drop it in my lap. So here's a comparison of the LED and then the stock one. Okay, so to get this guy, I basically had to take the whole thing off here. So this is the whole mirror assembly here. Basically had to pry that off and then really use force to get that guy in there because these are a little bit bigger than a factory bulb. But it is doable and I got it in there, and as you can see when I hit the switch it turns on, so it is bright. And now we just got to put this guy on, and hopefully there's not much to this, and it just snaps into place, and then I put the screws back. So I'm hoping pop into place, and our vanity mirror works as it should. I'm not going to bore you with that side, but what I'll do is I will do a comparison. So we have that one there. We have that one there, so you can see how much brighter it is. And I'm glad I did that middle one first because it pretty much lights up the whole thing and I can see what I'm doing. So this one's pretty easy to get down. Just like that, hit that switch so it don't burn you. Slide the new bulb into place. Hopefully it's a lot easier than the other one. And holy cow, that is bright. It's really bright. Now what we'll do is align these bad boys up. Come on. Work with me here. There we go. Alright. So I got that guy there, that guy there. So that one comes out pretty easy. Let's get that bulb out. unplug it. So you're just pushing that tab and go and pull this bulb out. We'll get that one facing the right way. Yeah, we're in there. So plug that back in. And that's that one. Alright, so normally I like to use sockets if I can, but since I'm filming, this is easier for me. You unscrew those two screws, that one and that one there, and then you'll get a little wiggle room. And what I did is I slid my finger up here, then pulled a little bit, and those two little tabs right there will go right into those holes. So that's how I got it out, and we will find out which one is our reverse light, and it's going to be that bottom one. It's going to be this bad boy right here. Unscrew that, we'll plug that guy back into here, give it a little twist, lock it into place. And what I suggest doing now is getting in the car and putting it in reverse. Once again, way brighter. I don't know why they didn't do that from the factory, but it is what it is. So on that note, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, comment down below on what you think of the LEDs in the Type R, and if there's any other type of videos that you guys want to watch. I got some other stuff ordered for the Type R, some little stuff. I plan on doing lots and lots of stuff to this car, but it's going to take time because I got other projects. One right there that's loaded up with stuff. We'll talk about that one in another video, but that'll wrap it up for the day. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe for more content on the Type R, the S13 over here, and stay safe out there, stay warm. It's starting to get wintertime, so yeah, thank you guys so much for the support, and we'll see you in the next one.